Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain you remaining topic of chapter 5, more on HTML. More on HTML. In previous class, I have explained you about about inserting image in HTML and their attribute. Today just I am going to explain you about marquee tool and their attribute. Marquee tool and their attribute. Now class C about marquee tool and their attribute. First thing is that marquee means what? Marquee means that while we surfing the internet, we might have seen the moving advertisement in the form of text. See some large in large. While we surfing the internet, we might have seen the moving advertisements in the form of text or images. The moving objects get special attention of the user. Then now HTML allow you to move your object left, right, up and down by using marquee tag. Now class, marquee tag is a container tag. It takes the text or image between the opening, this is your opening tag, and now closing tag, between the opening and closing tag. Whatever you write between opening and closing tag, like here written, one example given, marquee hello I am moving text, marquee close. So here whatever you write, like these sentence or these words, hello I am moving text, these will be start to moving on your screen. Similarly, the image can be also marquee to this moving part of the section. In live class I have shown you. For image simple we have to write marquee img tag, here src complete address of image and marquee. Now what would happen? Image now start moving. This is a way by using the marquee tag have some many attributes. See one by one. Behavior attribute can have three values, which are slide, scroll and alternate. Three behavior attribute have a three value: slide, scroll and alternate. Marquee behavior slide will make the object move only once. That is, when object reach the end point, the object stops moving and no movement in screen is seen after. But now some web browser not supporting the behavior attribute. That's why not appear. How to show this? But now mostly the usage of this behavior is to set according to the needs. Like slide, it show only once. Other like scroll. Scroll. Scroll will make the object move from start point to end and then emerge out again. Emerge out again from start position. It seems that the object is coming out from start point and going inside the end point. Going inside the end point. And continue do the same thing. It follow the same loop again and again. It continuous process. And third one, alternate. Alternate value of behavior. Alternate value of behavior will make the object move from start to end and then bounce back from end to start. Alternate. Start to end and then end to start. It seems that object is bouncing between start and end point. This is the three type of behavior we have learned. After that, direction. Direction, it allows you to set the direction in which the object will move. It can have four values which are up, down, right and left. Four values we can use this. Just I am going to show you practically how to apply this also. Up and down. I have shown also in live class, still just I am making the video, then also going to apply that. See class, here direction. Direction equal to, I have typed here up. Here I am written hello I am moving. Save this file after changing. Save this file and now run this file. Look here, up moving to upside. Moving to upside, wherever text are written, it's moving to upside. Then now down. After changing, you must have to save your file, otherwise changing will not apply. This is your down. Start to moving down. Next now left and right. Left. Save this file and go and refresh. It moving from left, moving towards left. It moving towards left. Now next one right. It moving towards your right. Refresh this. It moving towards right, moving from left to right. So that's all the usage of your direction. One more attribute is scroll. One more attribute of this is scroll. See about that also. What is the using of that tool? Now class scroll. One more tool is One more is your scroll amount. Direction understand? Scroll amount. Scroll amount, it indicates the speed of moving object. Indicate the speed of moving object. Scroll amount equal to 1 means the slowest moving object. Scroll amount indicate the speed of moving object. If you written scroll amount equal to 1 means slowest moving object. If you write scroll amount 10 means medium speed of moving. If you write 20, the fastest speed of moving text. So this thing also just I am going to show you in practical. And now next thing is that next topic linking web page. So this topic I will explain you or later. Listen, scroll amount. Here just I am going to use scroll amount equal to, here I am writing 1. 1 it's a very slow. 1 means here appear very slow. Save this file. Now go to your run this file. Look here, just I am pressing 1. It moving very slow. It moving text very slow. Just change now 10. It's a medium. 10. Scroll amount is 10. It's now become a medium. And now when we write scroll amount 20, it become so fast. We become fast. The 3 things you can add here: slow, medium, very slow, medium, and fast. See now fast. It moving fast. So that's all about this topic today. I have covered. Later, next topic I will explain in your next class. Now class, thank you for today class. Thank you all.